Hello creative people, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how I recreated an old wedding dress and gave it a new life. So let's start with this video. I am obsessed with this wedding dress. Number one, the perfect fit. It really fits me amazing. I didn't even have to readjust the measurements. It was really like perfect fit. So what I did, I wanted to remove the big fluffy bottom because I didn't want to make it look as a wedding dress. I wanted to make it look more as like a fun, or it can be like the dress when you change from your wedding dress. So I wanted to do that, and of course I'm reusing all of the pieces, and I decided I want to create the bottom more fluffy and fun but also very short. So I took the tulle that was underneath that old big fluffy skirt and I cut each and every layer, then I actually laid it on for the bottom. But for the bottom, because my little mini dress is not whole, so I needed to add a little extra side. I also, when I tried it on, I actually felt that it was a little bit too long on that side, so that's why I cut those 3 centimeters. And I actually went back to the wedding dress and I took out the inner lining that I cut off, and as well as the face fabric, which I also cut out. And I did actually just cut it, as you can see, just directly like that. And I did know that, of course, you can see that the side is a little bit poking out, but that you have to fix also as well. So I actually formed that more so it's more like fitted as a dress. I did sew the inner lining but not the face fabric because I'm gonna apply all this tulle to it. I took the face fabric, as you can see, that little piece, and I just applied lots of layers, almost all of the layers that I had, one above the other like this, and I sew it until I got that big and fluffy little skirt. Once I have that sewed on, I actually went back and I just connected from the inner part because of course the seams must always look good. So I connected that with the inner lining and the rest of the dress, and then I actually went and placed it on the mannequin. And once the dress is on the mannequin, this is where the fun begins. It's time to cut that bush. For this I actually have explanation how to do it. It's literally like you have to decide by yourself how short you want to make it or how fluffy you want to keep it, and it's really up to you. So I just went and I just cut and cut and cut until I was like really satisfied with the shape and I was satisfied with everything. I also went back because the skirt had a few like embroidered details on it, and I took them out and I replaced them on this line here. As you can see, I did it all around because I really think this kind of shows that the dress is well done, and it kind of hides every imperfection, things that you have done to it. So I really loved it, and that's why I went back and applied this all over my corners, all the way into this big little fluffy furry thing sticking out of the skirt. And this is also all hand sewed because you cannot use a sewing machine for this. And this is the finishing product. This is how the little mini skirt looks like. It's really beautiful. It would be much more gorgeous if I would have like a feather, cloth or something like that. Amazing. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned and see you till then. Hejdå!